you able to hear me all? Let me know if I'm audible and visible, if the live has started. Okay, great. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I'm your Aditi Ma'am, and today we are going to do a very interesting chapter. And I know a lot of you actually maybe don't like this chapter, or like this chapter, you tell me. And we are going to do today the chapter Beta Light, and specifically we are going to do the NCERT numerical solutions, and plus with that I have gotten so many numericals for you, so many questions for you. Those are previous year questions, most repeated questions in the previous year. Hi Sachin, how are you? Hello. Let me know in the comment section if I'm audible and visible properly, everyone, so that we can start this live session as soon as possible. I am very excited today because this session is going to be very good. Ma'am, when will you take the class of chemistry? We just finished the first chapter, Sachin. The class of chemistry, the first chapter, chemical reactions and equations, right? We just finished that lecture. The one shot, the live sessions, all are uploaded on the channel. You go watch them, okay? Hi. I am doing great, Krishna. How are you? Cobra. Hello Cobra. How are you? Okay, I am audible. Thank you everyone. So give me a thumbs up if you all are ready. And for this session, I told you we have numericals for this section, right? So you have to get your pen and copy with you, because we are going to do a battle with all of you. Okay, somewhat low, can you please increase it? Let me know, everyone, if the voice is low as well for you, then I'll ask someone to do something. Okay, yes, okay. Senthil. Okay, let me know. Everyone else, the voice is not clear? Yes, ma'am. Okay, great. Okay, let us start the live session. Let us give you the very first. Okay, I have some questions for you. Okay, you answer me that quickly, and then we'll directly jump to questions. Okay, now everyone, what is the focal length? The focal length of a concave mirror. Sign, negative or positive? What is the focal length? What is the sign of focal length of a concave mirror or concave lens? Fast, we'll quickly do a rapid fire round. Okay, I'll ask you questions, you quickly give me the answer, one word answer, and then we'll move on to the MCQs, to the numericals, to the questions, to the diagrams. Okay, I have lots for you. Okay, -1, negative. Okay, actually focal length for convex mirror is positive. Okay, Sachin. Concave, I asked concave. Okay, great, everyone, is true. The concave, for concave lens or mirror, both we know we have negative focal length. For convex, first, for convex mirror plus lens, for both we know. And how did we remember this? We thought, ma'am, there is x in convex. If you rotate it a little bit, it looks like plus. So its focal length is positive. Its focal length is positive. What is the sign of object distance? What is the sign of object distance? U. Always positive, always negative. नरेंद्र मोदी, ओफ, मोदी जी आए हैं आज हमारे लाइफ में. वेलकम मोदी जी, नमस्कार जी. And for the concave mirror, focal length is negative. Very good. Okay, we have 2 people from Tamil Nadu. Welcome. Girdhar ji. Girdhar, why are you guys writing -1? It's not -1, it's negative. It can be -2 as well. It can be -3 as well. You just write negative. Okay, you don't write -1 with it. Yes, every object distance is negative. What is the doubt, Sachin? You are absolutely correct. Every distance is negative. You are absolutely correct. Positive object distance, Modi ji, you go and run the country. You don't know. Negative. It's negative. Modi ji. Okay, so beta, every time there is an object distance, the sign will be always negative. Yes, according to the 10th level. Very good, Sachin. According to the 10th level, the object distance is always negative. That is correct. Okay? Okay, great. Then V. I have a question for you, V. But let's make it very specific. Okay. If we talk about V, then we have to talk about lenses and mirrors separately. Right? Ma'am, but why every object distance is negative? Okay. Look at this. If you make any ray diagram, okay, this is your concave mirror, right? This is your convex mirror. Done. This is your concave lens. This is your convex lens. In every of this ray diagram, you place the object on this side, like this. You place the object like this, right? Here also object is here. Here also object is here. Here also the object is here. So in every case, the object is on left hand side. And we have studied the x-axis, y-axis. This is positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y. So imagine these lenses and these mirrors are at this line, this y-axis. So on the left hand side, it's always negative. So on every case, the object is placed in the left hand side of the mirror or lens. So it is always negative. Okay. Image on the principal axis is positive and below the principal axis is negative. Yes, yes, great. Let's talk about image distance. Image distance above the principal axis, yes. Let's talk about positive and negative. Okay. We have mirrors and we have lenses. Okay. Now in mirrors, we have two things, right? Concave and convex. In this, we have 1 to 5 cases, and in this we have real and inverted images. Correct? Correct, everyone? In this we have 6th stupid case, and in this the image is virtual and erect. Now you tell me the sign of images in this. The image distance, the sign of image distance in these two cases. If you can tell, then only I will understand, then only I will think that my kids are excellent. Image distance on the above the principal axis is positive and below the principal axis is negative. That is height, bacha. That is not distance. That is height or position. Above the principal axis absolutely positive, below the principal axis absolutely negative. Both Senthil. Both will start with reflection. Some of them are MCQs. So we'll start with reflection and then we do refraction ones as well. Okay, great. Okay, you tell me this. And then we'll quickly jump on to our numericals and MCQs. What is the sign here? We have mirrors. We have, okay, I'm repeating. We have mirrors, we have lenses. In mirrors, we have two kinds of mirrors. Concave mirror, convex mirror. In concave mirror also, we have first 5 cases. First 5 cases are similar. Real inverted image, and the image is sometimes smaller, sometimes greater than the object. In that case, what is the sign of this image distance? So this is a small question that you might have to use your brain. If image is inverted, show the image distance is negative. If image distance is virtual or erect, show the image distance is positive. Very good, very good. Sachin, everyone, big clap for Sachin. This is really good. Great. So beta, in all this, you are correct, Sachin. And let's see through this. So it is real and inverted, and this is your concave mirror, right? And if you remember, in the first 5 cases, all the images were formed here on below the principal axis, but on the left hand side, right? On the left hand side, and those were real and inverted. If those were formed on the left hand side, they will be negative. And in the 6th case, it was formed on this side of the mirror, on the back side of the mirror. That is your right hand side, right? So for right hand side, beta, the image distance will be positive. It will be positive. Great. Now tell me about convex mirror. tell me about convex mirror. In this, we just have two cases, and in both the cases we have virtual and erect images. What is the sign of image? Distance. Except special cases. Yes, yes, yes. Great, 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 Sachin. Good, good, good. I'm so proud of you. Good. Okay, tell me what is the sign of image distance in case of convex mirror? Convex mirror. What is the sign of image distance? Fast, fast, I'm waiting for you. I know you guys know. You just tell me what is the sign of image distance. Okay, we have an answer as positive. Okay. Image is always formed in a convex mirror is virtual, yes, or erect. Saudi, image instance is always positive. Okay, what language converter are you using? Okay, great. So we have, this is your convex mirror, right? This is your convex mirror, and we know the image is always formed on this side, right hand side, and right hand side distances are positive, right? Right hand side distances are positive, so this is also positive. Now give me similar answers for lenses, because we know now for lenses it's a little bit different. Okay, it's a little bit different. It's positive because behind the mirror. Yes, great, Sandil. Great, great, great. Okay, let's talk about lenses. We have again convex lens. We have again concave lens. Now, no doubt this convex lens is similar to concave mirror. Okay, no doubt on this. These two are similar, and these two, convex mirror and concave mirror, are similar. But the sign of image distance is different. Okay, now again we have 1 to 5 cases, right? And in that we have real and inverted images. Now in that cases, what is the sign of what is the image distance? Yes. Okay, we have concave mirror is equal to convex lens rules. Great, great, great. Correct. Concave mirror is equal to convex rules. 1 to 5 cases real inverted image. But here the sign of V is convex lens, converging lens, which deals with 6 cases, and concave lens, which is diverging lens, which deals with 2 cases. Very good, very good. Now what is the sign of this V? Great, absolutely correct. But what is the sign of this V here? This V. Fast, 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 correct. We have convex lens. This is your convex lens, and real inverted images are being formed. So here is your object. This is going focus, optical center, and somewhere here the image is being formed. This is what? Right hand side? Right hand side? So what is the answer now? The answer beta. You're getting confused. Okay, calm down. See beta, both this is concave mirror, this is convex lens. Both have 1 to 5 cases real inverted, 1 to 5 cases real inverted. Here the V is negative sign, right? But here the V is positive sign. Okay, done. Why am I trying to make sure that you guys all know this? Because beta, this will be useful in our numericals. Okay, Pawan is saying negative. Pawan, it's positive. It's positive. You look at this. There is your object. This is your convex lens. Rays come parallel, pass through focus, pass through optical center, and somewhere on the right hand side our image is being formed, right? And on the right hand side beta, the image is always have a positive sign, right? Ma'am, I am suffered from typing error. Okay, great. No worries, Sachin, no worries. You have answered enough for the whole day today. But I expect a lot from you guys, okay? Okay, next beta. Let's, next. Same for, now we have the 6th case. For 6th case, the image was formed on where? Same as concave lens. Same as concave lens. Yes, that I agree. Same as concave lens, concave mirror, convex mirror, everything is same. But you tell me the sign of positive and negative. Yes, yes, Krishna. What happened? Done. So now you tell me the sign of, in sixth case, we have virtual and direct images. Now see, in concave, we say that it's similar to concave mirror, but it's still a little bit different. In concave mirror, we have virtual and direct images that is formed on right hand side. Here, the virtual and direct images is formed on the left hand side. Opposite to each other. So sign get opposite to their type. Great, great. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm a big fan of yours. Okay, okay, Krishna. I'm a big fan of yours as well. Okay, so V beta is negative in this case. Okay, V will be negative in this case. Understood? If convex lens formed virtual image, the sign of the image is positive. Great, great, great. Sachin, great. Okay, good. Okay, let's talk about this and we'll jump directly to our questions. Now, concave mirror have two cases. Both the cases are similar to convex mirror. Concave lens has two cases. Both are similar to convex mirror and both are virtual and direct. And in virtual and direct, what is the sign of V in case of lenses? So you all are clear about this whole scenario, right? You all are clear about this? If convex lens is formed, yes, great. Ma'am had chai. How do you know I had chai? What? Is it somewhere on my clothes? Okay. Okay, let me know fast. What is the sign of V here? I would like to tell you that you take more classes of science. Okay, okay, Sachin, I will definitely keep that in mind. Actually, we were in the whole idea that you guys are having summer vacations, right? So we just have a little bit less frequency for now. It's just starting time. Once you see, you will see taking us 5 hours of marathon. Okay, so you don't worry about the more classes of science. You just subscribe the channel and trust us. Okay, beta? Okay, tell me this. This is the last question I have for you guys, and then we'll move directly on to your questions. Okay? What? Menu ni andi si ma'am. What? What are you trying to say? Okay, Madhavi. Hi, Madhavi. Positive. Madhavi is saying positive. Let me think. Concave lens. Concave lens forms virtual and direct images. Virtual and direct images are formed on the yes. Yes, yes, we are moving to numericals. You tell me the sign of this V. It is negative, beta. Hi, Aditi, Sahani, hello. Am I asked whether you had chai? I don't know about it. Oh, okay, I just had chai actually. I just finished my chai and came to get your live. I thought you have some CCTVs installed on me. Okay, great. Now, this is your concave lens. These are the rays coming and we know that they got diverged. Okay, so we extend them backwards and they are formed on the left hand side, and that is beta your negative sign. If you have any doubt in this whole slide is pretty much everything you need for your numericals. Okay, for your whole class 10th. Concave lens is generally considered negative because it causes parallel light rays to diverge, spread out. Okay, its focal length and power are negative. Yes, beta. Yes, grave. Okay, yeah, its focal length is negative, beta. It is true. So focal length of concave lens or mirror is always negative. We just studied about that actually. Okay, so concave focal length negative, convex focal length positive, U is always negative. Okay. Okay, let's give you the very first question. Ma'am, I have already answered that if image is virtual or erect, so the image distance is positive. If the image is real and inverted, okay, great, Sachin. That's actually a good way to remember. Okay. Can you give formula sheet for physics? I can actually. Let's make it in this live today. Let's do some numericals, some things, and then I'll make the formula sheet here of the whole chapter light. Done? Not that difficult. I'll give you sign conventions as well. Actually, there is a video I just uploaded a few days back. You can go and check that. All the numericals, all the formulas are there in that video. Okay, let's do the first numerical quickly, everyone. Give me the answer. An object is placed in front of a convex mirror. Now, beta, in my lives, I have one rule. We write as we read, right? So every time you read a numerical, you read a question, you have to write down what is given in this question. So instead of just writing down, this is an MCQs, let's just highlight the keywords. Okay, an object is placed in front of a convex mirror. Now, as soon as you see the type of mirror that is given, you are going to write the focal length, the sign of focal length. Why am I doing all this? To reduce the silly mistakes, to reduce the errors. Okay, so we understand how to write it. Now, focus of the convex mirror is positive, right? Focal length is positive. Now, object is at infinity. Okay, object is at infinity. According to the new Cartesian sign convention, the sign of the focal length and the sign of the image distance in this case respectively will be. So we already answered the question without even completing the whole question, right? D. Okay, we have A as our answer. 1 vote for A and we have 1 vote for D. Okay, Senthil is saying D, Sachin is saying A. Okay, Madhvi is saying, therefore signs of the focal length and the image distance respectively are plus plus. Positive for focal length, negative for image distance. Hello, Madhvi. Hello. Okay, let's see. We have, okay, Madhvi then is also saying, so we have more votes for option D. Agree, everyone? Sachin. Okay, done. Let's see. Okay, beta, this is convex mirror. We made the whole chart because of questions like this. Okay, so we have convex mirror. Convex mirror looks like this. Okay, ma'am. And the object is at infinity. Okay. According to the new Cartesian coordinates, the sign of the focal length. Now, focal length is positive. Focal length is positive. Focus on this side. So, first is positive. It can be A. It can be D. Great. Nice. Then, we have the sign of image distance in this case. Oh, this is easy, beta. This is easy. Okay. So, anywhere you place the object, we have two cases. At infinity, at anywhere between infinity and pole. Now, here the object is at infinity. The image will be at focus. Focus is on the positive side. So, image will be on the positive side. So, the actual answer, beta, will be D. Answer is your D option. Understood? Okay, Pawan also said D. Great. Great. Whoever answered D, very good. Very good. Done? Understood? Okay. Let's give you another question. Okay, this question, beta, it's actually a little bit theory, you can say that, but it's very important because there is something mentioned in it that changes the whole definition of the whole question. Okay, that changes the whole question. So you answer me, define the following terms in the context of a diverging mirror. You just give me, okay, you can't write the whole definitions if you don't want to. Just give me the sign of focal length. Define the following terms. You give me for a diverging mirror. What is the diverging mirror? Name that. Name the mirror and then give the sign of focal length of that mirror. Sign of focal length. I will know that you guys actually know the answer or not. Focal length. Let me know. Oh, sorry, ma'am. What? I don't read question properly. Okay. No worries, Sachin. No worries, Sachin. You understand it, right? If I have any doubt, you ask me. Now answer me the next question fast. We are going to do some good questions today. So let's get it over with these small questions. And after that, we'll jump to numericals. Okay? I have some very good numericals for you guys. Okay. Let me know the name of the diverging mirror and the sign of focal length of that mirror. Hi, Jagalas. Nicholas Douglas. Answer. Focal point. Okay, the point on the principal axis where rays of light parallel to the principal axis either what? Either आगे? Okay, principal focus is the point on the principal axis where parallel rays appear to meet. Okay, that's okay. Ayush Raj, no worries Ayush, no worry, we are just starting with the questions. Okay, let me see. Focal length, the distance between pole and focus is called focal length. Answer, focal point. Okay, the point on the principal axis where rays of light either diverging appear. Yes, great, Sachin got it. Actually appears to meet. Great for diverging mirror. Hello Ayush Raj. Great, very good. Now this is what I wanted to see from you guys, that you understand this diverging mirror concept or not. Actually very great. So if there is a diverging mirror, we know it will not actually converge the rays, it will not actually meet the rays, it will diverge the rays, and then we extend it backwards, not like this. It will appear that the rays are diverging, and it will appear that rays are meeting if I'm standing from here, right? So that is the definition of focus for diverging mirror. If however there is a converging mirror, then you will not write appear to meet, then you will write they meet from there. Okay, thank you Ayush Raj. So are you done? Understood. Very good, all of you. Great. Done. And then focal length, the distance from pole to focus. Very good. Okay, next question I have for you guys is, okay, let's do one numerical and then we'll move back to the questions. Okay, read it carefully. Do I have one more part for this? Yes. Okay, read it carefully, read the question carefully, and let me know, do you guys understand this or not? Okay, do you guys? Ma'am, all are clear. Okay, great Ayush Raj. Principal focus is the point on the principal axis where parallel rays of light either converge in case of concave mirror or appears to converge in case of convex mirror. Very good Sachin. 20 points to you. Okay, let's do this question. You have your pen and paper with you because you definitely need some calculation. Okay, let's read the question carefully, and what did I tell you? We write as we read. Okay, thank you Ji. Ayush Raj ji, Queen of Physics, for giving me the title of the Queen of Physics. That is very fascinating and lovely. Okay, what is given beta? An object 4 centimeter in size. What we are going to do? We are going to write as it is given. Height of object. So height of object beta is simply 4 centimeters. Is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay, lots of words. First of all, the information about object is given, right? Then the height of object is given, okay, and the object distance is given, and the mirror is also given. Everything is given, ma'am. So height of object is 4 centimeter, done. Then the object is placed at 25 centimeter, right? So is this true? Object is 25 centimeter. Is this part true? The what I have written, is this true? Okay, Ayush Raj, you tell me, is this part u equals to 25 centimeter, is this true or not? Okay, then we have concave mirror. We have concave mirror. What is the focal length of concave mirror? What is the sign of focal length of the concave mirror? Okay, there are two things we have to do now. Pay attention very clearly. Look at this. Now as soon as you write u equals to 25 centimeter, we know beta u is not 25 centimeter. It is always negative. Yes, not. It is minus 25 centimeter. So as you write, you have to write the negative sign. Very good Sachin. Now with concave mirror, as soon as you write concave mirror, you write with it that its focal length is negative. No matter if it's given in the question, not given in the question, you just don't read the next word until you write focal length is negative. Done? Okay, yes. Now beta, of focal length is also given. Now focal length is 15 centimeter. Now look at this, focal length is 15 centimeter. Now also beta, focal length is not 15 centimeter, it's a concave mirror, focal length is negative, so it will be minus 15 centimeter. Understood? You might think that these things are a bit silly, but you trust me, if you write these down now, you will not have any problem in your boards. I can give you my word for this, okay? Because these silly mistakes are going to cost you a lots of marks. It did to me. I used to do a lot of silly mistakes, but now I find the solution for you. So this is the solution, okay? Okay. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Now beta, what we have to find? What we have to find? We have to find the image, the distance of screen. The distance of screen from the mirror in order to obtain a sharp image. That means we just simply have to find image distance, right? We simply have to find image distance, right? Nature and size of the image. So we have to find the distance, nature and size of the image. I'm giving you, this is 5:33. Till 5:35 you have the time. You let me know the answer and let me know whom of you all are trying. That ma'am waits for our answer. Okay? Kabir, hello Kabir ji, how are you? काल करे सो आज कब? आज करे सो नहीं, यही था. Today is your birthday, Ayush Raj. Happy birthday, Ayush Raj. Okay, Gaurav ji is saying hello to everyone. Okay, great, we have the answer. Ma'am, the value of B is minus 37.5 centimeter. Let me write your answer, okay? And I am writing all your names as well so that we will see who gave the correct answer. Okay, I will write Senthil. Senthil gave the answer as V equals to minus 37.5 centimeter and nature of the image is real and inverted. Height is minus 6 centimeter. Okay. Okay, Ayush Raj, no worries, no worries. Dougal sir. Okay, I just read Douglas for some reason. Dougal sir. Hi ma'am. Hello, hello sir. Yes, Kabir, ask your doubt. Okay, so Senthil is saying the image will be real and inverted and it will be 6 centimeter in height. 6 centimeter minus 6 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Senthil's answer. Yes, Kabir, ask your doubt. Okay, it's 5:35 and let's solve our solution. Answer distance of screen. Okay, so the image is formed 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay, therefore screen should be placed 35 centimeter in front of the mirror. Very good, Madhavi. Okay, so basically Madhavi is also answering this as well. Madhavi's. Okay, just to let you all know, this is a CBSE previous year question. Okay, so if you are able to solve this, you are already prepared for board even before a year. Renu Devi, ma'am, you are studying very nicely. Thank you, Renu ji. Which soap is used for bath? Okay, let's do the solution, everyone. Get ready. Now, I know a lot of you can solve, okay? I have no doubt in that. But one thing you have to learn is presentation, okay? This is how you present, given all the things given, written very clearly, to find all the things written that's to be found very clearly so that we don't miss anything. Done. Next, let's go to the solution. Okay beta, solution, let's find the solution to this crazy question. Now how do you think is, ma'am, we have to find V, okay, and we are given with focal length, and you simply, we are going to use mirror formula. We are going to use mirror formula. Now this is exactly what you have to write, okay, using mirror formula. Using mirror formula, so write the mirror formula. 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U, right? Now 1 by F is what? Minus 15. So this is 1 by minus 15 equals to 1 by V. 1 by V we have to find. We have to find the V plus 1 by U is what? U is given as minus 25. Do not ever forget to keep these signs in your mind. Okay? Sorry, why are you saying sorry, beta? Arey koi na bhai. Image distance minus 37.5 centimeter. Nature of image is real inverted. Okay, okay, Sachin, great. We have 3 answers. 3 of these are same. So I think you guys are right. Okay, okay, so but this is how you have to present your question. Very important, because your periodic tests are coming up, your class tests are coming up, right? So make sure you see how do you answer these questions, how do you present these questions. Done. Then you simply write minus 1 by 15 equals to 1 by V. This plus minus 1 by 25. 25. Now this whole is minus, it will go here, it will become plus. So 1 by V equals to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. Understood? Right? Next, we just take the LCM, 25 and 15. LCM will be 75. Okay? This will be 75. Now 15 into 5 is 75. 1 into 5 minus 5. Do not forget this sign. Plus 25 into 3 is 75. 1 into 3 is 3. Okay, so this is simply 1 by V. Bhai Saab, you are 23 years old and you are in 10th class. Don't tell me you are in 10th class. Just tell me you are in the live sessions, Amy. Okay, that's better. Okay. What the hell is happening? Okay, minus 2 by 75 equals to 1 by 5. Done. But this is 1 by V. We have to find V. So we invert it. So V is equal to minus 75 divided by 2. And if you cut this, you will get 2 3s are 6. 15 is left, 7.5. So V equals to minus 37.5 centimeters. That means Madhavi, Sachin and Senthil, 3 of these are correct. Okay, great, great, great. You are also a teacher. Krishna is also a teacher. Okay, great. Until here, any doubt? V is done. Now, beta, we also have to find the nature and size of the image, right? Now, how do you find the size of the image? Size of the image, ma'am, see. Ma'am, I will tell you. Ma'am, magnification is something with which we find the size. Okay. Now, magnification, ma'am, height of image by height of object, and the formula is minus V by U. Right? Okay, so I am given with height of object. I found V, I found U. Can I easily find height of image? Height of image, right? Magnification is minus 37.5 by 25. Great, great. Actually, but you can do it a lot simpler, the calculation. Okay, how do you sometimes in examination 37.5 by 25 can be easy, but it can be difficult as well for some people, right? So instead of using 37.5 beta, we are going to use this 75 by 2. V is 75 by 2, right? So see, height of object is given as 4 centimeter. Okay, so height of image we have to find. Height of object is given as 4 centimeter, and beta minus. Now V is what? V is minus 75 by 2. So I am going to write minus 75 divided by 2 divided by this U. Now this U is what? Minus 25. So this minus cancels. Right? Now you just multiply this and see, it becomes a lot easier. See, minus 75 divide by 2, both of these will multiply into 25, and this 4 will go up into 4. So 2 into 2 is 4, 25, 3s are 75. So height of image beta is simply minus 6 centimeter. Easy to do the calculation or difficult than 375 divided by 2? 25, sorry. Ma'am, stop now. What? Okay. Approx height of image is 1.5. Hey, then the height of object. Yes. Okay. The point is, Sachin, that is the answer you will give when you are asked magnification. Now you are directly asked the height of image. So this is how you can find the height of image. Okay. Hi, Suresh. Hello. Suresh, you are back. Hello, Suresh. Okay, great. Question is so tough. Did you understand it or not? If you don't understand it, you tell me, I'll explain it again. Okay, beta? Tell me, I'll explain it again. Done? Now we have to find the nature of image as well. Now, see. If you use your brain a little bit, okay? This is a concave mirror. Okay, this is a concave mirror, and they have told you that U is minus 25 centimeter, focal length is minus 15 centimeter. So U is greater than focal length. That means this concave mirror, this is your focal length, and U is somewhere here. Object is here. Object is beyond focus, somewhere beyond focus, not between F and pole. That is our stupid case. So if the object is here, then a real and inverted image will be formed. So simply the nature of image is real and inverted. Okay? Okay. Madhvi, great. Done. So we have found V minus 37.5 centimeter. We found height of object, that is your minus 6 centimeter. Minus 6 simply means it is below the principal axis, and nature beta is real and inverted. Done. These are all our answers. I can't. Okay. Ma'am, U is negative. Yes, beta, U is negative. Done. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now a numerical. What do you say? And MCQs for all of you guys. Answer this. Okay, Madhvi. I have a very good and simple MCQs for you to lighten up the mood after a numerical, okay? If the magnification produced by a lens, make sure you read this thing very carefully. You know what I did once? I read lens and I thought it's a mirror, and I did the whole question wrong in my class 10th. I still remember. Okay, so you don't do that mistake. If the magnification produced by a lens has a negative value, it has a negative value, okay, then the image will be virtual and inverted, virtual and erect, real and inverted. We are given that magnification has negative value. Okay, Duggal ji is saying D, real and inverted. Senthil is saying B, virtual and erect. Okay, Hamsini, should I call you? Okay, we have the answer as, someone answered as D. Someone answered, yes. Sachin answered at D. Renu is saying B, Senthil is saying B. Sachin is saying D. Okay, guys. Okay, great. Now see, first of all, virtual and inverted is not a thing, so A cannot be the answer. Real and erect is not a thing, so C cannot be the answer. It's either B and D, that's for sure. Done. Now beta, this is very important and you have to see this very carefully. Dekho, whenever magnification is negative, the image is always real and inverted, be it for lens, be it for mirrors. Okay, and if the magnification is positive, it is always virtual and erect. Image is always virtual and erect. Yeah, Senthil, just ignore them for my sake, please. There are some people in this world, if you just ignore them, that's the best. Okay, real and inverted image is formed by convex lens. Not, see, Sachin, you are true, but even for concave lens, I'm just telling you, in the whole lens section, if you see, or in the whole light section, you will see that whenever the magnification is negative, it's real and inverted image, be it for mirror, be it for lens. And whenever the magnification is positive, it's virtual and direct image. Although that's absolutely correct that real and inverted image is formed by convex lens, concave lens never forms real and inverted image, it always forms virtual and erect. Ma'am, I request please make a moderate of our monitor of the class which is stopped and this advertisement because my answer and doubt cannot seen by you. I'm so sorry. Can you please write your doubt again? I saw your answer, Sachin. Don't worry. I saw your answer. You gave the D answer. I know. So, real and inverted is the correct option. This is your answer. Done? Correct answer is real and inverted. Madhavi, great. Okay, Suresh Patraji gave you a medal. Do you know there is a very good dish called patra from Gujarat? I love that dish. So I just remembered from Suresh Patraji that was a dish that existed. Okay, let's quickly do one more numerical. One more numerical of lenses. Okay, here you go. This is lens, right? Yes. Okay, now read it very carefully. Done. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. What do we do, beta? We write as we read, right? That's the one thing that we have to do. Now what is given? It is given that an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. So object is 30 centimeter and beta object is always negative. Correct? From the optical center of a concave lens. Now we have a concave lens is given. Concave lens is given. As soon as you see the name of a mirror or a lens, you have to write the sign of their focal length in the bracket. Hoof, and that is beta for concave. We have focal length as negative. Done. And this is lens. So make sure you highlight this, okay, that this is a lens. Now focal length 20 centimeter. Now the focal length of this lens beta is minus 20 centimeters. Done. Use lens formula to determine the position of the image formed in this case. Now we have to find the image distance or the position of image in this case. Now it is how much time? It is 5:50:49 beta. So let me know, you have 5:51. Okay, till 5:51 I need your answers. You are my favorite, ma'am. Where you live? I live in Bangalore, beta. We have our whole setup of this in Bangalore. Okay? नहीं हटूंगी, जा, जो करना कर ले. Go. Okay, hi Malesh. V is minus 12 centimeter. Okay, our Sachinji is saying that we will get the answer as minus 12 centimeter. Sachin is saying that V is equal to minus 12 centimeter. Okay, anyone else with the answer? Minus 2 centimeter. Value of V. Value of V is minus 2 centimeter. Senthil is saying. Okay, that is a drastic yet weird difference. Some of you has written something wrong. I am come in Bangalore, right? Oh, okay, Krishna ji. Madam, Srikar. Okay, Srikar. Okay, I'll remember the name. Okay. Senthil is also saying 12 centimeter. Done. Okay. Minus 12 centimeter. Okay. Sri. Okay, great. What do you want, Patra? The value of V. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, Senthil. Okay, Senthil. Okay, great. Let's see how to solve this question. Now you just write a solution, right? Now they have given us that use length formula. So we will not go against them. We will say that 1 by focal length equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Great. Now what is the focal length? Minus 20 centimeter. 1 by minus 20 equals to 1 by V. We have to find minus of U is 1 by minus 30 centimeter. This is what is given, right? Hare Ram. Okay, then we have 1 by V minus minus plus 1 by 30 equals to minus 1 by 20. Okay, now beta this is plus. If you keep it here, if you take it here, it will be minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30 equals to 1 by V. Just take the LCM. What will be the LCM? Simply 60, right? 20 into 3 is 60. 1 into 3 is minus 3. Don't forget this minus. Again minus 30 into 2, 1 into 2. 2 equals to 1 by V. This is minus 5 by 60 equals to 1 by V. So V will be bacha minus 60 divided by 5. So V will be minus 12 centimeter, and yes, that is your answer. Great, good everyone, good everyone. Arey Bhagwan. Done? Anyone has any doubt? I am looking at your comments, don't worry. Okay, Senthil was correct, Sachin was correct. Yes, Malesh was Srikar was also correct. Okay, great. Done everyone? Hi, markers box. Hello, markers box. Okay, then you can leave. Bye. Okay, great. Then I have one more MCQs for you guys. Let me know the answer. Do you want an assertion, reason, or a bit difficult? Okay, let's do refraction one. It looks a bit hard. It looks a bit bad, this numerical, but try and give it a go. Okay, a ray of light travels from medium 1 to medium 2. The figure given, okay, there is no figure given, shit. The figure given shows the variation of sign of angle of incidence in medium 1 with the sign of angle of reflection in medium 2. Consider the following statements. Variation of, let me see. Speed of light greater than medium 1. This question is incomplete. I will find the figure, you come back. I will give you one more question. Okay, beta, assertion. When I thought I had the diagram. Okay, whatever. In this class and at 6 p.m. Okay, great. Okay, give me the answer to this question. Assertion. Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. Reason is beta, image of an object formed by a convex mirror is inverted and diminished. Oh, convex mirror. Give me the answer. Hi Mohan Kumar, hello. कहाँ से हो लाई ऐसी? Okay, A. The answer is B. A. Yes, ma'am. Mohan Kumar, Hanji. Oye hoye, A. Hi. Marker box. A. Okay, everyone else? Okay. Came in your monthly test. Your monthly test is already over. I thought it was after summer vacations. A answer. Okay. We have B. Hell. Okay. B. Okay, okay, Senthil, okay, read your question. Okay, now convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. That is correct, because we know it gives a wider view. It gives a wider view, right? And it forms a erect image, and virtual is fine, but we are mostly to deal with erect image. We want the erect image of the bus coming behind us, not the opposite inverted bus coming towards us, right? Image of an object formed by a convex mirror is inverted beta. Convex mirror always forms virtual and erect image. It always forms virtual and erect image. It never forms inverted image. So as reason is false. So actually assertion is true, but reason is false. How are you all guys giving A answer and D answer? Answer is C. Correct answer is C. Okay, Senthil, got it. Yes, Girdhari, Lal, okay. Done, great. So C is your correct option, everyone. Understood? Okay, let's just do the last question for today, and that will be your, this is draw diagram. Okay, this is the question for you guys, the last question of the day. Can you try to stop the unwanted spam, because my answer cannot. I am seeing your answer, Sachin. I know. Acha, you also answered. So sorry. I will see. I just have to call so many people. I'm just dreading that. Sorry. Hi, guys. Sensi. Hello. I'm great. How are you? Hi, actor Shivansh. Hi, actor Shivansh. Okay, read this question carefully. Okay, a convex mirror. So again, highlight the keywords. A convex mirror is given, right, beta? And we will write, okay, given is what? A convex mirror is given. So as soon as we read, we are gonna write convex mirror. And what is the focal length of convex mirror? Focal length is positive. Okay. For a rear view on an automobile has a focal length of 30 meters. So this convex mirror has a focal length of plus 30 meters. If a bus is located at 60 meters. Now beta, this bus is an actual object. Right? This bus is an object. So actually U is given. It is minus 60 meter, because no matter what, view is always negative. Right? Use mirror formula to find the position of image of the bus seen in the mirror. We have to find beta the position of bus. That is V. Can you do that? You have, it's 5:59, you have 6:02. Ma'am, it is 20 centimeter. Okay, hi Prithvi, hello. Hi Mohan, hello everyone. Okay, it is positive. You are saying positive, Senthil? Okay, from Senthil, we have answer as plus 20 centimeter. V equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, great. Good. Sorry for wrong type. The correct answer of the question is image distance is 20 centimeter. Okay. Sachin also says 20 centimeter. Sachin and Senthil are pretty consistent in this whole life. Great. Proud of you. Yes. What do you want me to explain, Prithvi? Yes, Mohan, ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts, okay? Okay, Marcus. Okay, tell me the answer. Oof. 20 centimeter. Prithvi is also saying 20 centimeters. Notes, yes, Senthil. All of these questions you will get solved after some time in this description of this live, okay everyone, you'll get all the solved notes of this whole session in the form of PDF in the description in some time. Okay, I'll solve and upload, and it'll take a small time. Okay, yes, I will provide the slides. Okay, 20 centimeter. Okay, great. Let's do the final solution of the day. Okay, solution. We have beta, this is your mirror, right? So we have U, we have F. This is simple, come on. So you are simply going to use 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. And as much as I want to say that this is too simple, CBSE has given it in 2024. So we are practicing good questions. Okay, markers box. Done. 20 meters. Girdhar, that is good, that is great, because every one of you will get your marks cut except markers box and Girdhar. Let me check. Senthil said 20 centimeter. Okay, Sachin, where is Sachin? Sachin also said 20 centimeter. All of you are wrong. It's meters. How can you answer in centimeters if the question is given in meters? And I wrote it down, 30 meter, 60 meter. Everyone, learn. Okay, this is something we have to take care of. Great. Okay, make sure that you remember that. Okay, we have U as minus 60, we have plus VF as plus 30. So 1 by 30 equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. U was what? Minus 60. It was minus 60. So 1 by V equals to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. Just take the LCM as 60. 30 into 2 will be 60. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 equals to 1 by V. 3 by 60 equals to 1 by V. V equals to 60 divided by 3. That is 20. That is 20. So V beta is plus 20 meters. It is plus 20 meters. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you can't make these mistakes, okay? That's why, now you know in the starting of the session why I told you that you need a pen and paper and you need to actually solve these questions. You can solve these questions like this, but these silly mistakes can cost you marks, okay? And we don't want that, okay? And we are going to perfect this by the end of, till your boards. You won't make any mistake if you continue to join this live. Okay, I can guarantee you that. You can have my word, you can file a legal case on me, okay? Don't, but done. Okay, this is the final answer, my kids. Beta, that is it for the day, okay? We have done a lots of questions. I will give you one as homework if I have any. Okay, there are 2 homeworks for you. Okay, because these are diagrams and you know how to explain, how to make the diagrams, right? Explain sign convention for both lenses and mirror. Prithvi, this live will end, okay, in some time. You go in the starting of the live. I have thoroughly explained everything, okay? The focal length of concave and convex, it is negative. For convex, it is positive. U is always negative. That's the first thing we did, okay? Then it's a whole slide here. Okay, concave we have 5 cases and a 6th stupid case. First to 5 cases real and inverted. In that we have V as negative and in 6th we have V as positive. So go through all this. If you have any doubt, come to the live tomorrow. I'll explain it to you. Okay. Acha, theek hai markers. Okay, done. Yes. Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, done. Great. Now we had 2 questions for you as homework because these are diagrams. Okay. Now what happens? Okay, this is a rectangular glass slab. So you tell me what will happen. I will ask you questions. You give that answer in the comment section. Okay. Now what happens when a ray of light falls normally on the face of rectangular glass? This is a simple question. They are asking if it falls normally, what will happen? No refraction will happen. No refraction will happen. Right? Done? So then this we have draw a ray diagram to show the image formation when the object distance is equal to the radius of curvature of the mirror. Again, very easy. Object distance is equal to the radius of curvature. They have actually draw the diagram to show the image formation when the object distance is nearly equal to the radius of curvature of the mirror. Okay, you have concave mirror here. Okay, concave mirror. You just tell me what will be the distance is given, what will be the size and nature of image. That is the answer you have to give in the comment section after the live ends. Okay, after this live ends, everyone, okay, let me just write it down. After this live end, you have to comment down one answer that is different. You will get one PDF link in the description. Okay, in your description you will get a PDF link of what we studied today, of all these slides, okay, with solution. Done everyone? Great. That is it for today's live. I think, seeing from your response, you guys did enjoy the live. Okay, now if you have any doubt, comment down, join the next live, comment in the one shot, go watch one shots. Tomorrow will be 9th class live. Okay, every Wednesday we are having live for 10th class. Every Thursday we are having live for 9th class for all the chapters, all the questions, all the PYQs we are covering. Done? So I'll meet you tomorrow, whoever is in the 9th class. Done? Okay, tada, bye bye everyone. I'll meet you next time. Bye. PDF will be in the description.